After watching this video, you should be able to get funded using this simple ICT strategy. Yes, in this video, I will go over a simple ICT strategy that you will be able to use on a prop firm challenge in order to pass it and get funded. And what better way to explain a strategy than using the bar replaying mode? Because what I will do is I will go over a trade example. This is a trade that I sent in my SMC trading group, okay, because this is the actual strategy I am using on a day-to-day basis, and with this strategy I'm sending out trades in my SMC trading group. And this trade was taken by one of my members. He took this trade on his live funded account, and with it he was able to secure $4,200 in profits in only 2 minutes. So yeah, let's get right into it. In order for you to be able to apply this strategy, you need to understand the following 3 concepts. You need to know how to identify liquidity sweeps. The second step, you need to know how to read market structure, breaks of structure to the up or downside. You also need to know how to identify imbalance. And lastly, you need to know how to mark up a supply or demand level. I assume you already know all 3 of them. If not, don't worry. I have specific videos for each and every single one of these concepts on my channel. You should feel free to go ahead and check them out. Okay, but like I said, I do assume that you already know how to spot all of these 3 concepts. And because of that, I will get right into it. So it was right here when I opened the chart on that specific day on US 30 on the M15 time frame. There's no daily bias required for this strategy. Like I said, right here, I opened the chart around 12:30 p.m. UK time. Okay, that's 2:30 p.m. my time. First things first, I saw that intraday, the price was heading downwards. Okay, we can see that we had a aggressive break of structure right here. And I kind of liked how this break of structure was looking, because if we look closely, this looks pretty aggressive to me. Why is it looking pretty aggressive? Because of the imbalance that was left behind. Okay, we can see we have a very clear fair value gap right here. So a very clear imbalance, meaning that this was a aggressive break of structure. Knowing that this was a aggressive break of structure, I then looked to the left to see if liquidity was swept in this area. And the answer was yes. Okay, in this area, we had a fake out. What was the fake out? Well, it was this move right here. Okay, this was the fake out. This move to the upside right here, because if we take the price here, the price seemed to be bullish, but guess what? This was only a fake out before the market showed its true intentions and breaking structure to the downside very impulsively. Okay, so let's quickly go back to where we were. I think we were around here. So we have a liquidity sweep, okay, with this fake out to the upside, and after that we have a aggressive break of structure to the downside. Once again, why is it aggressive? Because imbalance was left behind. So now the third and final step would be for us to identify a unmitigated supply level in this case. And I was able to identify this supply level right here. This unmitigated supply level looking very valid, very clean. And this was the setup. So once again, the first thing that I saw was a aggressive break of structure to the downside. Okay, that was the first thing. The second thing, I looked left and saw that we had a fake out. I saw that we had a liquidity sweep before the market showed its true intentions and broke structure to the downside. Okay, this was the second thing. And then the last thing, I was able to identify this unmitigated supply level. Why is it unmitigated? Because it has imbalance on it. Like I said, right here, it is very clear to see that imbalance was left behind. And this was the setup. Okay, this is how simple this strategy is. Okay, you need to look for an aggressive break of structure. After that, you need to see if liquidity was swept. And then you need to identify the unmitigated supply or demand level. Okay, that's why I said that it is very important for you to understand these concepts before applying this strategy. And after that, after I identified this valid level, I then placed a sell limit right on it. This was the entry, the stop loss was right above it, and the last take profit was at 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. Okay, this was the setup. I then sent this setup in my SMC trading group. I will also attach a picture on the screen right now to show you all exactly when this trade was sent in my group. And of course, feel free to join it. It is the first link down below in my video description. So yeah, now after the trade was sent in the group, since it is a pending order, you just place the pending order, place the stop loss accordingly, place the lot size accordingly, knowing how much you want to risk on that specific trade, and then you just let it run. Okay, you just let it run. So let's see how this trade played out. And of course, if you guys like this type of videos, make sure you are subscribed to not miss out on future uploads. Okay, so let's use the bar replay mode. Okay, we formed some more liquidity right here, which is great. Okay, so let's play the price and boom, check this out. It literally tapped our entry and then it went straight into profit, smashing all of the take profits in a matter of minutes. And if we look closely, let's go on the 1 minute time frame. Check this out. In literally 2 minutes, this trade played out and smashed all the targets. Okay, it triggered right here and immediately after that, it reversed straight into profit, smashing all of the targets. It was a very beautiful sniper entry. And now, of course, I will attach a picture on the screen to show you all exactly when I updated that this trade hit all the targets in my SMC trading group. Okay, and this is exactly how one of the members of my SMC trading group managed to secure $4,200 in profits on his live funded account in only 2 minutes using this exact trade. Okay, and like I said, using this exact strategy, because this is the strategy I am using on a day-to-day basis on the M15 time frame. So yeah, I hope you guys understood everything I was talking about in this video. If not, feel free to let me know down below in the comments section. Before you go ahead and try the strategy out, I would highly recommend you to understand all the concepts that I use in this strategy, and after that, go ahead and backtest it. Before trading it on even on a demo account, you should go ahead and backtest it on the chart. After that, take it to a demo account, and lastly, you can then take it to a prop firm challenge. Okay, that would be my advice. Of course, at the end of the day, everyone makes their own decisions. Okay, so yeah, on that note, feel free to let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this video. If you have any other feedbacks, that would be very much appreciated. And till next time, another very cool ICT strategy video will pop on the screen. It is the silver bullet strategy, a very popular ICT strategy. That one is a scalping strategy. So if you are interested in checking it out, you should go ahead and do so. So yeah, wishing you all the best and take care.